let me tell you about myself first. This story I want to tell you people is a true story, something that happened. You understand? Something that really happened, that actually happened. I know. Come, dress, come. When I hear something that really happened, something that actually happened, all of them all listen to that too like a pro. I don't like a pro.
Who no know you, no go fit kill you. Now who know you?
Hello guys, welcome back to my videos. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year guys. Happy New Year. We're gonna see reasons for us to smile this new year. We're gonna smile, laugh, enjoy, merry this new year, this 2021. We're gonna slay, we're gonna rock it. So, without blabbing, without too much talk, let's go straight right into the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so you join us as we go. Yes, so and turn on post notification so you get notified whenever I post my videos. Okay, so let's go straight into the 2017. I told myself, oh, before the end of 2020, I'm going to travel at least 10 European countries, 10 African countries, and explore more on Nigeria, my home country. Fine, I was born and raised in Nigeria, Benin City, Edo State, but trust me, I've not been to all the 36 states of Nigeria. So I wanted to do that between the period of 2017 and 2020. I said by the end of 2020, this was the plan. At the end of 2020, I must have traveled 10 European countries. There are some countries I wanted to travel. I wanted to go to the Scandinavia, as in Sweden, Denmark, Finland, Norway, and Iceland. I wanted to visit that area. I wanted to visit Bulgaria, Hungary, Czech, Poland, Ukraine. I wanted to visit Georgia, those areas, you get Romania, Albania. I wanted to visit some European country that I wanted to visit. I was really hoping to visit about 10 or 12 European countries. Then African countries as well. I wanted to visit at least 10. I wanted to go to Mauritius. I wanted to go to Seychelles. I wanted to go to South Africa, Cape Verde. I wanted to go to Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon. What was this country? I wanted to go to Ghana, Burkina Faso, Senegal, the Gambia. I wanted to visit some African countries. So I gave myself a time range of between 2017 and 2020. I must have visited about 10 European countries, 10 African countries, and visit all the states of Nigeria. 2017. Boom. What happened? I got pregnant of twins. My hope, I couldn't travel anymore, couldn't visit anywhere. And when I realized I was pregnant as at 2017, late December, January, I got pregnant with twins. December of 2017 stroke January of 2018. That was when I found out I was pregnant. So okay, so one baby, maybe after a year or so, I can even take the baby along with me to travel. After 12 weeks, I realized I'm carrying twins. How will I travel with twins? So I gave birth to twins 2018, August 25, I gave birth to twins. So I said, okay, maybe before they turn 5, my 2020 hope has lost too, because I can't take them. 2020, I'm still young, small. I can't just be traveling Europe country. And initially, this plan was me to travel alone. I wanted to travel alone at the scene. And the plan was, let me travel these countries that I wanted to travel, these places, the places I wanted to see before 2020. Then after my traveling and everything, I will now plan of having more children. Let's say having more children after 2020. Then twins came 2018. What to do? I gave birth to twins. That's okay. My hope, that one already lost. Let's forge ahead. I was trying my best. It's okay. Maybe if twins must have been 3 years or so, because I really wanted to see these places that I just mentioned. I really wanted to see these places. Imagine, I was born in Nigeria. I've never left Nigeria before to any other African country. I have never left to any other African country. I've been living in Europe for almost 8 years now. Yes, for almost 8 years, and I wanted to visit other places. So I've been to Paris before. I've been to other countries, but the places I wanted to go are the places I really wanted to visit in Europe are places that I've never been before. I've never visited before. You get? So the Scandinavian and some East European countries, I wanted to visit these countries, but I couldn't. My hope just dashed like that. Now 2020, we have another baby. You see, how will I travel? Even my own country, Nigeria, I've only been to about 3 or 4, 5 states. Edo Delta, though I'm partly Edo Delta, I've frequented those 2 states. Edo Delta, where? Lagos, Abuja. I don't even know anywhere in Abuja. I've been to Abuja twice or thrice, but I'll just go straight to where I'm going to take cab back to Benin. Finish. I've been to Lagos for like 25 times, but I don't even know anywhere in Lagos. I wanted to visit these states. I wanted to go to Lagos, visit beach, go to different places, night attraction, like different places. I just want to explore Lagos. I want to go to Abuja, and the way I planned these things, they will be too interesting. Let me tell you, I wanted to visit Lagos, meet with some YouTubers that live in Lagos. Then they will take me around Lagos, we'll hang out, things like that. Alone. I'm not regretting that I had children, but these were my plans before I started having these children. So, but still they pay me small. I'm not regretting that I have them. They came to lighten my world. That's why I'm shining like this. You understand? They came to brighten my world. I'm not regretting, but I'm just trying to tell you guys, my family, my friends, like we are discussing. You know, you people here, you are my friends, you are my family. So if I have anything where they bother me now, they can't tell. That's what I'm telling you, but not that I'm regretting that I had my children. No, I'm not regretting it at all. They are the light in my life. Without them, I'm not complete at all. Without them, I'm not complete. Those are the things you just put in your head, like, oh, before you start having children, you want to do this thing. Unfortunately, I couldn't travel to those places. So, like I was saying, I wanted to go to Lagos, meet some YouTuber friends that live in Lagos, who hang out, go out, enjoy yourself, things like that. They go to other states, even if I am going to other states that there are no YouTubers that I know, but I wanted to go to those places, know those places, visit those places. If Drew Binsky, you know Drew Binsky that traveled the whole world, one guy that I watch on YouTube, if he can travel the whole world, he even came to Nigeria, went to places that me, when they born for Nigeria, never been to. So I wanted to explore more. And other African countries, when I was in Nigeria, living in Nigeria, I never have the idea to ever leave Nigeria to other African countries. Yeah. But when I came to Europe, I have a lot of friends from the Gambia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, different countries, and they are amazing. You get? So now I get to read about those countries. I wanted to visit more African countries. Unfortunately, I couldn't because twins are here, new baby is here. I couldn't. So I'm stuck here with the children. Maybe in the next 10 years, I'll travel. And I wanted to travel when I'm still like younger. So another 10 years joined as I can't be, so begin travel for old age. Does that make sense? I wanted to travel in my like 30s now. Okay, why is this bone falling now? Village people. He said that it's making me to feel myself. Why are you not falling off? Stay there. No, it was how I did it. The initial stage. Let me do it again. Mamma mia. We'll manage it soon. like I was saying, those are the places I wanted to visit before the end of 2020 and I could not visit anymore. So we are here. I'll be stalking you guys here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you've watched this extent, please subscribe to the channel so you join us. And turn on post notification. I hardly say this. I'm learning to say it now. Please turn on post notification so you get notified whenever I post videos. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one, and it's not gonna be too long. Very soon I'll see you guys. Happy New Year once again.